If the new Palisade detects the risk of collision with the car ahead, it automatically stops. The vehicle transmits its intention to back up with illuminating guide lights on the ground. And if it detects a pedestrian or obstacle, it automatically stops. When there is a risk of collision at an intersection, the vehicle applies emergency braking. The new Palisade automatically steers when side collisions are expected during lane changes. Also, it helps the driver to avoid accidents by adding force to emergency steering by the driver. Highway Driving Assistance System supports drivers to drive comfortably on highways through driving assistance technologies like lane following assist or advanced smart cruise control. HDA2 has added a function that automatically changes lanes when turn signals are activated.